yeah, we are going to make it. Let's start. Okay, so this code is pretty straightforward. So I will first write the code, then I will explain to you how it works. So it's pretty straightforward. We will say for I in range, which is how many times of stars you want to create. I will say from 1 to, let's say, 5. Yeah, that's good enough. We'll do this and it will come again in another line. So in that we will now create another variable called j. uh, j in range 1 to 5. So it will create 1 to 5 columns and it will create 1 to 5 rows, so that's proportional. So if you don't keep it correctly, maybe the code may break in your case. So if you do this, and then I will say if j is actually greater than I, which will actually, you will understand it later when we will increment I and j. Then if it is that, then we click here and then we go enter, and then we print, will add a star. Okay, and then we will say and it with, it just means nothing. Okay, now if this is not the case, then we will say print nothing. And when we say print nothing, just end it with nothing. All right, after that we will go back to the line and go to space where it is 4, the j4, and we will say print. This is the function, and we will just keep it blank and everything. And now we will run here without debugging because it's a lot of pain. And there we go. You may be like, wait, why did it do only 4? Because if you remember, Python starts with 0. That's why it will leave one of them. So if you say 6, it will be 5. It will do 10. If you do 10, then it will be 9, and so on. So let's make a monstrosity by doing it 50 times all the way. Let's run without debugging, and boomba. So this is quite a monstrosity. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that was it. You can make aeroplanes, you can make all of them things by just stars and everything. And yeah, this was it, and this is the entire video. It was pretty straightforward, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and everything. And yeah, that was it, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.